Welcome to Go for Clients tutorial series. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your first email drip. Let's get started. Here, you go to New Drip, you choose Email, you choose an email that you have registered your account, or you have the option to add a new email. Here's where you'll create your email sequence. So, as you send an email, you want to have an action. If it was a success, either yes or no. Let's say this email was not a success, so you want to blacklist you want it to be a blacklist. And it will be added to a blacklist so that the person that received this email and it was not successful will be blacklisted. And you can do it as soon as possible in hours, days, minutes, seconds. So let's put it for seconds. 10 seconds. There you go. And then after, let's say the email was successful, you want to send another email. And let's say this one, it's like you want to see if the email is opened. Send a validation time of, let's put hours, 2 hours. There you have it. And then you can do endless sequences like this. So let's say they do open the email. So you want to send them a follow-up email. You can go ahead and add another sequence here. And let's say they didn't open the email. You still want to send another email. This one may be reminding them of what they can do or why you sent the first email in the first place. And this one would be a follow-up email, maybe completing a sale, maybe offering a new product. And then you save it. If you have folders saved within the platform, you can add them to here. I don't have any. And then this is there you go. And then you can save it and run it, or you can just save it. Let's just save it for now. And that is all. Thank you.